Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Natasha, and if you're returning, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to style different spring outfits. A lot of the pieces I'll be using are from Zara and also Asos. Make sure you stick around if you want to see how I'll be styling these different items. Without further ado, you know what? Let's get into it. The outfit I'm wearing, as you can see, it's this white bodysuit. This is from Zara. And I've also got on this blue skirt. It's just a very simple outfit. You know what, you can just pair this with your leather jacket or your cardigan, just to, keep you a bit warm. This skirt, what I really like about it, even though it's a bit long, it's got a split there, and I've just ahead and just paired the skirt with these white boots that I got from Asos.
아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐. 난 네 옷을.
This outfit that I'm wearing is this gorgeous orange dress. This is from Zara as well. Definitely showing off your guns. Definitely a casual outfit. All of these items, if you want to dress them up, you can definitely pair them with a blazer and a nice pair of heels, and you're definitely ready to go out. Head and pair this orange dress with these white trainers that I also got from Asos. You know what, all of the items I will leave links down below, so you can go and check them out if you want to. Another outfit is this really soft cardigan that I got from Zara, and the shorts as well. And then the shorts are a little bit too short, but you can also pair them with your stocking, which is going to keep your legs really warm. I've also gone ahead and just paired them with my white boots because I just wanted something a bit brighter besides like the normal black boots that you normally wear. So this is it. What do you think? Really cute? Yeah, I think so as well.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me.
The final outfit is this gorgeous floral crop top that I also got from Zara. And these leggings that I'm wearing are from Sainsbury's. This is a very simple outfit, but if you want to dress these outfit up, you can definitely wear your pair of heels and also your leather jacket or blazer, ready to go out on the night on the town. So these outfits are like very simple, but you can dress them up, dress them down, whichever way you choose to.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off
you so much for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoy how I style different spring outfits. Make sure you comment down below and let me know which outfit that you would wear or which outfit was your favorite. I would appreciate it very much. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I would appreciate it very much. I will definitely catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.